Hello, it's Paul here. I want to give you a very quick lesson on how to highlight a row within your Google Sheet dependent on something being a value somewhere in that row. So for instance, on this sheet, I want to, every time there's a P here or something in this column, I want the whole row to highlight that data set. So I'm going to click on A2 just outside the header, click Format. Sorry if you hear my dog crying. It wants to go out. Sorry, we're going to click Format, Conditional Formatting, which will bring this up. And we're going to add a new range, which for this is A2 colon all the way to R. This is actually 1400 rows. So I'm going to do 1400. In fact, 1401. So highlight the section that you want to use the formatting in. And then go to custom formula is down the bottom. So click here. So we don't want any of these formatting rules. We want custom formula is, and then in here, this is the magic. And thanks to the people that I found this on, obviously I Googled this. We're going to do equals the dollar signs. That locks it in all the way down the column. I'm going to use column F. So if there's anything in column F2, I'm going to say, if there's anything. So if I look, I could say equals speech mark P close speech mark, and that would highlight that row. And I can change the color, change the text. But I could also say there's more than one piece of information in there that's not just a P. Do the brackets and remove this, and that would say if there's nothing in there. If it's null, if it's not null, if it's got something in there, then give me that. The dog. Give me that information. But you might have a P, and mine will always be a P now in there. So equals P. And that will go all the way through the document and highlight that row. Should have kicked the dog out before I started recording. So let's do it again. Let's do it for a different column. So let's go look up the top. Highlight here. Format. Conditional formatting. Let's add another row. A2 to R1401. Picks everything up. Down to the bottom. Custom formula is. This time we're going to say equals dollar sign to lock in all the way down. We're going to say, let's go for the TikTok. See the TikTok there on J? It's on E. J2 is equal to D. Equal that. Oh, let's do speech mark D, close speech mark. Now everything with a TikTok D in there. So I'm going to make it, we're going to go black because it's TikTok. Make the text white. So everywhere that's given me a TikTok, I'm going to stick it in there. And, it will highlight that selection. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't actually want that one, so I'm going to delete it. But everything now within that range, everywhere down in those profiles that I've got on my website, are being highlighted, so hopefully that helps. Any questions, fire them in the comments. I will be doing more videos like this. Come to pnuk.com for more training. I will be doing some Google Sheet training in there as well. But join the forum, ask questions, always here to help, as I hope that did. Now I'm going to take the dog out. Sorry for that. See you soon. Paul, PNUK Punk out.